If you're looking for a simple way to make coffee with lots of flavor and body, look no further. The French press. It's easy, it's inexpensive, and it makes some seriously good coffee. Here's how to do it perfectly. You'll need some freshly roasted whole bean coffee, a French press, a kettle, a coffee scoop or a scale, a grinder, and a deserving mug. First, boil your water. Once the water boils, pour a small amount into your empty French press and coffee cup just to warm them up. Next, grind your coffee. For a 32-ounce press, we recommend 7 scoops. For the best results, grind your coffee right before you brew and use a medium coarse grind. A couple of minutes after your water stops boiling, it should be between 195 and 205 Fahrenheit, the perfect temperature. First, fill your French press halfway and make sure to get all the coffee wet. After 1 minute, top up the press with more hot water. At this point, you can put the lid on. Now push the plunger down slowly and steadily. If your plunger gets stuck, just pull it up slightly and keep plunging. Okay, you can taste your coffee now. Pretty good, huh? We thought so. Happy caffeinating, everyone!